Now, what happens is we have a quadratic formula. Now, what you would have had in the past was what's called a simplified question. And let me show you. Factorising is actually the reverse of simplifying. So let me show you a question you might have had like in first year of school, okay? You might have something like this. You might have had x minus 2 into, what's it, x plus 5. Okay? Now, you would have multiplied this out. Now here's how you multiply this out. You split the first bracket in half, and then, so do you see the way the first bracket, the x and the minus 2 have been separated? Yeah? And what goes in beside them? X plus 5 and x plus 5. Now, we multiply this out, and we get x squared plus 5x minus 2x minus 10, okay? Now what always happened was you always add the middle parts together, and what would you get at the end? X squared plus 3x minus 10. Okay? Easy stuff. Now, well, what I want you guys to be able to do is, how do you, if I tell you, that's a simplified question. If I give you a factorised question, and what I'm asking you to do is, I'm asking you to factorise this here, except you have to go backwards and figure out that the answer is this here. How would you go about doing that? That's what we're asking you, okay? Now, there's a way you do this. The way you do is this. X squared means 1x squared. Do you understand? Yeah. Multiply the first number by the last number. You get what's called the reference number. Reference number being minus 10, not 10, minus 10. Okay? You then make up two numbers that multiply to give you minus 10, but when you add them, you get plus 3.
Oh yeah.
Can anybody remember them?
5
and minus 2. Okay? Okay? So 5 and minus 2, okay? So 5 minus 2 plus 5 and minus 2. Okay? So plus 5 and minus 2 gives you, you're going to have x in each bracket, and we agreed that it's minus 2 and plus 5. So it's x plus 5 and x minus 2. Is that alright?
Yes.
Now that's all you got to do for these type of questions. So if we try another one,
You just leave it at that.
that's exactly it. So every question from 1 to 10 works that way. So let me give you another example. This one here, x squared minus 3x minus 28. Okay. How would you go about doing this one?
4 and 7.
Sorry?
4 and 7.
Okay, so the reference number is what, Connor? Sorry, minus? 28. And then what? What two numbers?
4 and 7.
4 and 7. And then, is it plus 4 or minus 7?
Plus 4 minus 7.
Why is it plus 4 or minus 7?
You have to get minus 3.
You have to get minus 3, okay? So, what we get here is this, guys. X plus 4.
X minus 7.
X minus 7. Is that okay? Will you guys in class right now, try number 8 and number 9? Okay?
Which number was that?
8 and 9.
So which number was just...
I just did number 10. Yeah.
What about x plus 1 is 0, x minus 7?
What we're doing next is we're doing 8 and 9. Okay? So number 8 and 9 on the board here, and basically what we have is, sorry, just give me a sec. We're doing 8 and 9. So, with number 8, the reference number is 1 multiplied by minus 15, which is minus 15. There's an x in each bracket, and then all of a sudden, excuse me lads, then we have to figure out what two numbers add together to give you minus 2, but when you multiply them they also give you minus 15.
5 and 3.
5 5 and 3, 8. And which one should be minus?
5. A little buddy.
Minus 5 plus 3. Now guys, do your check. Before you go, 3 by minus 5, minus 15. 3 minus 5, minus 2. If both checks work out, you're correct. If only one of them works, you're wrong. Okay guys, make that, get it right?
Yeah.
Okay, next one, okay? Now, the one after that, excuse me, the one after this one would be basically, is this one here. X squared plus 13x plus 30. Okay? Yes, John?
Does it matter if you does it matter what order you put it down? So you...
No, you can have x plus 2 in front of x plus 3 or something like that. Alright guys, reference number here. 30. And then, once you've done your reference number,
3 and 10.
3 and 10. And then, after that, plus and plus. That's it. Okay guys, we're going to stop now. Now, what I want out of you guys for tomorrow.
Yes. No, keep it first. My birthday.